Passion is one great force that unleashes creativity. Because if you're passionate about something, then you're more than willing to take the risks. In our Successful Fijian tonight, we take a look at the journey of 32-year-old Koto Matemosi, who is continuing with her late mum's business and legacy of masi making. Kelly Vadala with this story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Koto Matemosi completed school, graduated and secured a job, but it was the passion of masi making she was more passionate about.
I went to Sewa Grammar School and masi business was just supporting my school days during then. And I went to Form 7 level, then I do diploma in laboratory technology in FNU. Then I work as a quality assurance officer in one food factory in Sewa. Then like for 3 years. Then from then I was still in my heart, I still like doing masi. That's why I left the work. Then I just came over and helped my mom because she was a bit sick during then.
Koto is the daughter of Makereta Matemosi, who is well known for her masi design on our national airline. After she passed away in 2015, Koto took over the family business.
For me, to the education level I've been to, it's like she stayed home and she's just an ordinary masi artist. So really inspiring in the way the artwork can educate yourself too without having, a formal way of education.
But it hasn't been an easy road for the Matemosi family. They had to endure the struggles of living with extended family members back in the years.
So we have to work hard in order to, support the other family too, because that's their shelter. And that's how we live the struggle life. And most of the time, like we face we can go without food for 2 meals a day.
Koto now supplies masi to various resorts around Fiji and even sells her handicrafts to local and overseas boutiques.
If I fully concentrate on doing masi artwork for weekly, I can earn more than 5 grand for profits. My raw materials always be scarce, and that's why I always take special orders from abroad. And also, locally, I'm looking forward for now and to work with tapus just to supply them my artwork.
Koto has expanded the family business of masi making through many platforms. She now engages more in the tourism space, with her everyday inspiration being the memories of her mum. Kelly Vadala, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.